You're really good at that.
I always say, you know, my sister's my first end user. I'm really making the app for her.
Della has a rare genetic disease, and it's a mutation of the ASXL3 gene, also called Bainbridge-Roper syndrome. So she's interested in people, and she'll be next to them parallel playing, but not engaging with them socially.
I think when it comes to things as basic as communication, right? Like me and you take that for granted. I'm talking to you right now. People like my sister don't have that privilege. AAC is an acronym that means Augmentative and Alternative Communication. AAC is just a tool that people that have communication disabilities use to communicate. My parents were just kind of talking about like all the money they had spent on these proprietary pieces of software. In that moment, just something clicked and I was like, I could potentially build an AAC app. The app that she had used before, which is the app that the school provides her, it didn't have like the words that she wanted to say on it. You know, on this proprietary app, she'd be talking about like numbers, right? Like vegetables, the weather, which is great, but I know that's not her. That's not what she wants to talk about. When I made Free Speech and I handed it to her for the first time, I preloaded it with all of her favorite cartoon characters, put her favorite foods. I remember like she immediately was like, whoa, like this is, you know, these are all my words.
I see bus.
The first test version, it was super bad, super clunky, but it was an AAC app. And I took a video and I put it on TikTok.
So I have a nonverbal sibling. This is why I have created Free Speech. Free Speech is another assistive communicative application that allows people to talk using visual buttons.
Apple.
And just immediately, people were starting to come and be like, wow, this is really awesome. I got like a notification, hey, check the Explore page on GitHub. And I see Free Speech is #1. And like my jaw like dropped. The GitHub community was like super receptive when it came to Free Speech. They were asking me like what I needed done. It was my app, like it was very much my baby. But like a lot of the code was written by other contributors. I'm making the app for people that interact with my sister, like me, my parents, but in my heart of hearts, I'm constructing it for her. That light that I see in her whenever I actually give her new vocabulary, I see that every single time I add new words and update her pages. Thinking about accessibility, I think has definitely allowed me to make better software. And I think it's allowed me to be a better problem solver and hopefully be a better person.